Good morning. Hello, student. We have started about Drug and Cosmetics Acts. Until now, we have covered about history, objective definitions, different definitions such as import, export, adulterated, misbrand drugs. So we have till now done from इतना अभी हमने कर लिया है. Then different license authorities, ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर क्या होता है वो कर लिया है. हम लोगों ने इंपोर्ट के बारे में पढ़ा था लास्ट लेक्चर्स में. डिफरेंट प्रोविजंस जो थे इंपोर्ट्स के वो पढ़े थे. सो अभी तक हम लोग यहाँ तक पढ़ चुके हैं. सो अब नेक्स्ट जो है नेक्स्ट थिंग्स जो विच वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट, डेट इज़ अबाउट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स. सो उसके बारे में हमें नेक्स्ट पढ़ना है. तो मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के अंडर जो आता है वो आता है फर्स्ट जो है प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ अदर देन शेड्यूल C1, मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ दोज इन शेड्यूल C and C1, मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ शेड्यूल X ड्रग. ये पढ़ना है हम लोगों को. लोन लाइसेंस के बारे में पढ़ना है, रीपैकेजिंग लाइसेंस एंड इनके ऑफेंस क्या और पेनल्टीज़ के बारे में पढ़ना है. सबसे फर्स्ट जो पॉइंट आता है प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरर. ड्रग नॉट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी और मिस ब्रांडेड, अडल्ट्रेटेड और सुपीरियस पेटेंट और प्रॉपर्टी मेडिसिन ड्रग इन शेड्यूल J. नेक्स्ट है रिस्की टू ह्यूमन बीइंग और एनिमल ड्रग विदाउट थेरेप्यूटिक वैल्यू, प्रिपरेशन कंटेनिंग cyclamates. So these are the prohibitions of the manufacturer. Then next है manufacturer of drugs other than in schedule C and C1. There are the various conditions. First, permission should comply with schedule M. Then adequate facility for testing, separate from manufacturing, adequate storage facilities, record maintaining for at least 2 years from the date of expiry, should provide sample to authority, furnish data of stability, maintain inspection book, maintain reference sample from the each batch. Next आता है manufacture of drugs those in schedule C and C1. इनके अंडर कौन से ड्रग्स आते हैं? जो भी बायोलॉजिकल ड्रग्स आती हैं. देन उसकी कंडीशंस क्या हैं? ड्रग मस्ट बी इशूड इन प्रीवियसली स्टरलाइज्ड सील्ड ग्लास और सुटेबल कंटेनर शुड कंपाइल विद शेड्यूल F. सम क्लासेस टेस्टेड फॉर aerobic anaerobic microorganism, example sera, insulin, pituitary hormones. Serum tested for abnormal toxicity. Parenteral in doses of 10 ml or more should be tested for freedom from pyrogens. Next, separate lab for culture and manipulation of spores bearing pathogens. Test for sterility should be carried out. Next is manufacture of schedule X drug, and the various conditions are account for all transitions regarding manufacture should be maintained in serially, preserved for 5 years at least, have to send invoice to the sale to licensing authority every 3 months, store drug in direct custody of responsible person, separation must be labeled with XRX, marketed in packaging not exceeding 100 unit dose, tablet, capsules, 300 ml oral liquid, 5 ml injection. Then loan license definition. A loan license means a person or an applicant who does not have his own arrangement factory for manufacture but who wish to manufacturing facilities owned by another licensee. Such licenses are called loan license. Loan licenses are issued for drug other than specified in C1 and X, drugs specified in C and C1. Repackaging license, it means process of breaking up any drug from a bulk container into a small packaging and labeling with a view to their sale and distribution. Repackaging of drug is granted for drug other than C, C1, Schedule C, C1 and X. Now penalties related to the manufacturer. Offense and penalties. Offense include manufacture of any spurious drug. So penalties क्या होंगी? 1 to 3 years imprisonment and 5,000 fine. 2 to 6 year imprisonment and 10,000 fine on subsequent conviction. Next, manufacture of adulterated drug, 1 year imprisonment, 2,000 fine, 2 year imprisonment, 2,000 fine for subsequent conviction. Next, manufacture of drug in contravention of the provisions, imprisonment up to 3 months and 5 year fine, imprisonment up to 6 months and 10,000 rupees fine on subsequent conviction. Then manufacture of cosmetic prohibited for the following class of drug: misbrand or spurious cosmetic of substandard quality, cosmetic containing hexachlorophene or mercury compound, cosmetic containing color which contain more than 2 ppm of arsenic, 20 ppm of lead, 100 ppm of heavy metal. Eye preparation contain coal tar color. Next thing which we are going to discuss about sale. So types of sales license. एलोपैथी ड्रग्स में होलसेल लाइसेंसिंग होती है, रिटेल, होलसेल फ्रॉम मोटर व्हीकल्स मींस वेंडर. सो होलसेल आपकी फर्दर जो है वो डिवाइड होती है ड्रग इन शेड्यूल एक्स, ड्रग इन शेड्यूल सी, C1 अदर देन C, C1 एंड एक्स. देन रिटेल की भी आपकी दो तरह की होती है, जर्नल लाइसेंस एंड रेस्ट्रिक्टेड लाइसेंस. जर्नल लाइसेंस में आपके सिमिलरली जैसे ड्रग इन शेड्यूल एक्स, ड्रग इन शेड्यूल C, C1, ड्रग अदर देन शेड्यूल C, C1 एंड एक्स. रिस्ट्रिक्टेड में ड्रग अदर देन शेड्यूल C, C1 and X and for schedule C and C1. Then vendor सेल फ्रॉम मोटर व्हीकल और वेंडर, उसमें भी हमारे ये दोनों ही हैं, ड्रग अदर देन शेड्यूल C, C1 एंड X और फॉर शेड्यूल C, C1. नेक्स्ट है सेल्स ऑफ ड्रग्स. क्लासेस ऑफ ड्रग प्रोहिबिटेड टू बी सोल्ड: होलसेल ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल C, C1, wholesale other than those specified in C, C1 and X. Class of drug prohibited to sale: misbrand, spurious, adulterated and drug not of a standard quality, patent proprietary drug with undisclosed formula, schedule J drug, expired drug used for consumption by government scheme such as armed force, physician samples. These should not be sale. This is the different forms related to Form 19C. This is a specimen copy. Then wholesale of biological C, C1, adequate premises with grant with greater than 100 mm square area with proper storage facility, drug sold only to retailer having license. Premises should be in charge of competent person who is registered pharmacist. Record of purchase and sale, record of preserved for 3 years from date of sale. License should be displayed on premises. Wholesale from sale from other than specified C1. All conditions are discussed in the form of biological. Compounding is made by or under the directed or personal supervision of a qualified person. Then retail sale. For a retail sale, two types of license are issued: journal and restricted. Restricted license means grant to those dealers who do not encourage service of qualified person and only deal with such classes of drug whose sales can be effected without qualified person and vendor do not. So this is the Form 19 specimen, 19A specimen, labeling and packaging. All the journal and specified labeling and packaging specified to all classes of drug and cosmetics should be as per the provision made under the Act. Then this is the schedule to the rules. A. Performa for Form B. Rates of fees for the test or analysis by CDL or government analyst. C. List of biological and special product applicable to special provision. C1. List of biological special product applicable to special provision. D. List of that exempted form of provision of import. E. List of poisonous substance under Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani system of medicine. F. Provision applicable to blood bank. Next schedules include F, F1, F2 and F3, FF, G and H. F1 include special provision applicable to biological and special product. Example: bacterial and viral vaccines, sera from living beings, bacterial origin diagnostic agent. F2 standard for surgical dressing. F3 standard for umbilical tapes. FF standard for ophthalmic preparation. G. List of substance required to be used under medical supervision and labeled accordingly. H. List of substance prescription that should be sold by the retail only on prescription of RMP, that is registered medicinal practitioner. Then J. List of disease and ailment that drug should not claim to cure. Next include K, that is list of drugs that are exempted from certain provision regarding manufacture. M. Requirement of manufacturing premises, GMP. GMP requirement of factory premises, plant and equipment. Requirement of factory premises for manufacture of homeopathy medicine. Then requirement M2 include requirement of factory premises for manufacture of cosmetic. M3 requirement of the factory premises for manufacture of medical device. M. List of equipment to run a pharmacy. O. Standard of disinfectant fluids. Schedules next include U1 manufacturing and analytical record of cosmetic. V. Standard for patent or proprietary medicine. W. List of drug marketed under generic name omitted. X. List of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance. Y. Requirement and guideline on clinical trial for import and manufacture on new drugs. Then P. Life period or expiry drugs. Q. Coal tar color permitted to be used in cosmetic. R. Standard for mechanical contraceptives. R1 standard for medical device. S stand for cosmetic. T requirement GMP of factory premises for Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs. U manufacturing and analytical record of drugs. So now next is the amendment, that is the latest amendment that happened in 2008. The silent features include substantial enhancement in the punishment, life imprisonment for the offender involved in manufacture, sale, and distribution of spurious and adulterated drug likely to cause grievous hurts. Then minimum imprisonment of 7 years may extended to life imprisonment, provision for compensation to affected person. So these are the most important question which can be asked from this. These are the references. So like till now we have covered complete about Drug and Cosmetic Act, the different schedules, packaging, repackaging, sale, wholesale, licensing. So thank you. I hope this video is informational for you.